Hi there. If you're watching this on YouTube, or you're wanting to watch any of my content on my channel, or both for that matter, I would strongly recommend hitting the subscribe button and comment and like on any videos if you may wish, because this is a general audience channel. Also, this video is not made for kids, it is for older fans and adults alike. So please sit back and enjoy the video. Edward the Furness Engine. Written and told by July Leonard. Edward the Blue Engine has been on the island of Sodor for many years. He loved shunting, running his own branch line, which starts from Wellsworth connecting with the main line to Brendam Docks, and being a back engine, meaning that he is capable of pushing trains up Gordon's Hill. Although he may be old-fashioned, Edward never considers to retire. One day, the Fat Controller came over to Wellsworth sheds to see him. He had exciting news. "Edward, I would like for you to go to the works to be repainted," he said. "Boko will look after your branch line for the time being." "Oh, yes, sir," replied Edward happily, and he chuffed and puffed away to the works. When he arrived, some men were waiting for Edward, but they had something very different in their paint pots. "That's not right," protested Edward. "The Fat Controller wants me to be blue with red stripes like Thomas and Gordon, not red like tomato sauce." The painters laughed. "You'd look very handsome, Edward," they said. "Besides, this paint happens to be the livery of your old railway line called the Furness Railway, and this year marks your centenary." Edward thought about it. Then realization hit him. "That means my 100th birthday is coming up," he exclaimed. The men carried on painting him, and by next morning Edward looked as smart as ever in his Furness Railway livery as he puffed out of the works and back to his branch line. When he arrived at Wellsworth, Boko, who was in a siding, was shocked to see Edward. "Edward, is that you?" he asked in shock. "You gone all red." "Indeed I have," chuckled Edward. "And yes, it is me, the very same." And he went on explaining about how he worked on the Furness Railway in the mainland. By the time he had finished, it was time to get back to work. Later that day, as the evening began to settle in, the station master at Wellsworth came to see Edward. "The Fat Controller wants you to go to Tidmouth Sheds," he said. "Right away, sir," replied Edward, and he steamed away. It was nearly dark by the time Edward arrived, but to him, everything seemed rather quiet. "Looks like I came here for nothing," he thought. But then he heard a familiar booming voice saying, "1, 2, 3," followed by a chorus saying, "Surprise!" Edward was shocked. "What's all this?" he exclaimed. "Why, it's your birthday, Edward," a voice replied. It was the Fat Controller, who strolled over. "Today, Edward, is your 100th birthday," he explained. "That's why I wanted you to be repainted in your old livery of the Furness Railway to commemorate it in the first place." "You mean this year marks 100 years since I was built?" asked Edward. Yes, indeed, came the reply. Happy birthday, Edward! And all the other engines whistled and the band played. Thank you, everybody, smiled Edward. I can't believe that I'm actually 100. And he joined in on the whistling. I'm sure that the old iron furnace engine was glad to be 100 years old. Don't you?